Master the art of guessing. SAT and ACT strategies. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll delve deep into an essential skill that can be a game changer on test day. Guessing strategies for the SAT and ACT exams. Remember, no one is expected to know every answer, but knowing how to make an educated guess can make a significant difference in your score. It's important to realize that on both the SAT and ACT, there is no penalty for guessing. In other words, if you don't know an answer, it's always better to guess than to leave it blank. Leaving a question blank guarantees you won't earn points for it, while guessing at least gives you a chance. Before you take a wild guess, try to eliminate at least one or two options that you are sure are incorrect. By doing this, 1. You increase your chances of selecting the right answer. 2. You reduce the choices you have to guess from. For example, if you eliminate 2 wrong choices from a multiple-choice question with 4 options, your chances of guessing correctly go up to 50% from 25%. Often, your first instinct or gut feeling might be the right choice. If you're stuck between 2 options and you feel more inclined towards one, go with that. Research has shown that initial instincts tend to be more accurate than after a lot of contemplation. Sometimes, the question or the options can provide clues that can guide you to the right answer. Look for 1. Grammar cues. If an option doesn't grammatically fit the sentence, it's likely incorrect. 2. Familiar terms. Sometimes, terms you've come across during your study sessions might be the correct ones. 3. Outliers. Often, the option that seems very different from the others can either be the correct answer or a distractor. Use your judgment. If you've tried all strategies and still can't decide, then 1. Avoid options with absolutes like always, never, all, and none. 2. Choose the more comprehensive option. Often, answers that contain more information or qualifiers are more likely to be correct. 3. If you have absolutely no clue, pick one letter, like B or C, and consistently guess that for all questions you're unsure about. This way, statistically, you'll get some right. Guessing on the SAT and ACT isn't about blindly picking an answer. It's about making an educated guess. Practice these strategies while you prepare, and you'll be more confident on test day. We hope you found this video useful, and we wish you the best of luck with your exams.